My name is Lawrence Ochakachon. I am a member of Katwini Youth Group. Katwini Youth Group is a group connected to Layibi Youth Skills Training Center, which is a member to Uganda Youth Network. Today, as a result of Uganda Youth Network intervention, I have been able to get a training, a mentorship program on welding and metal fabrication. I am able to do welding by myself after 1 month moving to my mentor. Since December last year, I mean 2015, I started doing this work, and I feel I am able really to do something as a result of that. I have gone to different fields. I can actually handle the machine. I do welding myself. Then I have got a lot of information, especially how my mentor is managing his business. We have seen a lot of people taking construction works deep in the villages, but they come for windows, they come for doors, they come for all these things around town. So if I could get the mobile welding plant, I think it would be a very good opportunity for me to develop, to capture the markets around and be better than most of the competing firms, most of the competing welding workshops around. So I am so glad for Uganda Youth Network, because I feel what I need most within myself, which is knowledge, is what they're giving to me.